I'm married to my lovely U.S. citizen wife. I have already received the work permit, and we have our interview that is in a matter of weeks from now, scheduled for a matter of weeks from now.
Right.
In 2014, actually, I learned from a girlfriend at the time that I have a son with her. She told me that in 2014.
Okay.
The situation is this. I told her that, okay, since you had the child in 2010, why didn't you tell me that we had a child together? I told her that, okay, I would like a DNA test.
Right. And
Just
did you
to
do
prove that? No, we didn't get to do that.
Okay.
She told me his name, and I put it on the adjustment form, even though right now we haven't proven with the DNA testing as yet to show that actually my child.
Why?
She told me that he could actually be my son.
He could be your son. Well, your question is what? You put this boy's name on your application. You have no idea if you're the father.
Just that application, right.
All right. Well, my advice would have been you don't put him on because you don't know whether he's your child or not. You've never met this child. You've never done a DNA test. Just a woman called you up and said, I had a child 4 years ago. You're the father. That's the most you know. Okay? So you were never married to her. If you were married to her, then legally you are the father whether he's your biological son or not. Okay? And the DNA test says otherwise. Okay? But you were never married to this woman. She never did a paternity test. You never acknowledged you're the father. He's not your kid until something like that happens.
Until the DNA is
right. I mean, you have a paternity test. You acknowledge he's your son. You haven't even met this kid. All right. So when you go on the interview and they say, who is this kid? You're like, well, you have to tell the story. You know what? This woman called me up. She says it's my kid. I've never met them. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Just tell the truth.
Okay.
There's no reason to have included him, but it's fine. You don't have to go into whole detail. Just very quickly. All right?
Okay, so everything should be fine, though.
You'll be fine. You're allowed to have a child out of wedlock. You're also allowed to have a child out of wedlock and not even know if it's your kid, which is basically what happens.
Okay, and actually it was before I even met my wife.
Right. Okay, fine. So it's not a problem.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you for your help.
All right. You're very welcome.